Hello YouTube, hopefully you can hear me. I don't have my headset on, so hopefully you can hear this okay. I've been kind of playing around, doing some testing. Remember that video I did where I was talking about the amplifier and how much power that needs to run? And I did it in my truck, and I didn't have the truck running, and it was, the wattage was different compared to when I plug it into a good power supply. Well, it's the same thing here. This is a brand new battery, brand new, fully charged. And I've got this hooked up. I got this handheld hooked up to the amplifier. We got the repeater software on, and I got it plugged in to the power supply that plugs into electricity. Okay, now watch. This is what's interesting. Watch the wattage here. Let me see if you can get that okay. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, see that? 30.6 watts output using the plug-in AC power supply that converts it to DC. Now watch this. When I unplug this, and I'm going to plug it directly into the battery, and like I said, this battery, the wires are short. They're oh gosh, you go from there to there. Direct connection, bolt-on connectors. Okay, brand new battery, fully charged. Watch this. Let's go back to here. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, as you can see, that's about 4, well, depending on how you want to call it, but it's about 4.8 watts difference when running direct to that battery compared to the power supply. This power supply is a really good power supply. I'm really impressed with this thing so far. It can really handle the current draw that's needed, and it's adjustable voltage too. It's a little pot on. I did a video on this. And man, for the price of 25 bucks, and it does have a fan. If it needs a kick on, there's a fan over there. It don't come with a power cord. It don't come with none of this stuff. You got to supply your own power cord and your own socket. But this thing's really been pumping out. So there you have it. So just food for thought. Even with the direct connection, I'm still running low wattage because the battery, I guess, I don't know if you need a bigger battery, which, that may help. I didn't try it on my truck battery, which is a lot bigger than this battery. But I got a feeling even on a bigger battery, you almost need the truck running. You almost need the alternator to help supply power to run that amplifier to full capacity. 26.5 hooked to the battery wattage, 31.3 hooked up to the power supply. Approximately the difference is 4.8 watts, almost 5 watts difference. There's nothing I can do. Maybe if I get a solar panel on that might help boost up the current a little bit, because that solar panel that I'm looking at puts out about 5 amps. So maybe that will help the situation. But for now, when we run battery, this is what it's going to be. It'll be about 26 approximately watts out. It's going to be about 4 to 5 watts less than running the AC power supply, which I'm surprised. I thought for sure the good direct connection, I wouldn't have that problem compared to my truck. But anyway, like I say, maybe a solar panel will help that. I don't know. That's in the future. I just want to do this video quick to kind of point to you that that power supply or the amplifier is real picky. It needs a really good power supply. Anyway, we're doing some more testing on the rack here, and then I will be building the antenna mass holder on the trailer. Hopefully sometime during this week, depending on the weather. But I've been doing some testing on this, make sure everything's working like it should, and so far it's been working really good. Like I say, we'll do some more testing, and if anything else keeps testing the way it is, and I can go on to the next project and we'll get that mast built. At any rate, any comments, please post them down below, and please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.